Hey friend, so I was in TJ Maxx and I saw this brush and it was $24, 24.99. I don't know if y'all can see that. 24.99. It's the TYMO brush. So we're gonna see what it is because it was at TJ Maxx, not Amazon. TJ Maxx, okay? And we're gonna see. Let me open it up for y'all. Okay, so this is the brush. It's not the comb. I am not sure if this is the same one that's on Amazon or it could be a dupe, but either way, it was $24.99, and you know I love me a steal. I mean a deal. Okay, so it comes with this card. So chances are it probably ignore my nails because I took off the gel and put it on. So it came with this card. It just might be the real deal. Holyfield. The little booklet, and I got this at TJ Maxx. And then let's see, it comes with the cord. And that is it. So I did see some unboxing videos on Amazon, and when people got it from the site, like they got the comb, the glove, all that. This came with the basics. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna wash my hair and then blow dry it and come back and show y'all. So right now this hair is dirty from when I had the bun earlier this week. I have it in two little puff puffs. This is like my go-to hairstyle because I feel like it's cute and youthful. Okay. All right, also, I done showered. Okay, washed my hair, blow dried it. Now I'm eating some candy. Setting the thing up. I'm gonna put it on. According to the thing, it said because my hair is colored. Um, I might put it on 350 because that's what the book said. All right. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna do this backside. Y'all can see how my ends are. I did not blow dry it bone straight because I didn't bring all that here with me. So my ends are still kind of, they're not that bad though. I'm sitting on my dress. I'm not going to do small. So I watched a few people's videos. Some people did like small sections. I don't think I'm going to do small sections because it's already like pretty much in the fault. Okay. I'm going to go a ponytail thingy. And then, of course, I'll probably either do a wrap. But I also have like these clips. I got these from Family Dollar. How I've seen some people do it is, of course, this is come out. How I've seen some people do it is they take it from here and then they go down. Okay. Or I could take it here and go down. Not too bad. Okay. I'm gonna pass it one more time and that'll be it. I think I like the up and over. My hair, I think, is a little too short for the brush. This doesn't get it bone straight, but straight enough. Y'all see how it's choppy it is from when I chopped it? Alright, I'm gonna do another one. And I start doing the ponytail. I'm gonna do the clip. Alright. So again. Oops. Same thing. I think I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up more. I have it on 390. Okay. Yeah. I mean, this isn't gonna get bone straight, but I think for maintenance wise, like trying to maintain it, it should do the job. Alrighty. We'll do one more. Alright. Really, I just need to do my ends because the blue are kind of straighten it enough as it is.